Hey, this is Tony from Tony's Cabin and Sammy the Wonder Dog. Today I'm going to show you what I figured out for that hole I have. Okay, make sure you know it's me. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go, buddy. He's being mean to me again. Stop. See how mean he can be? Little brat. Okay, getting closer to it. If he lets me. Okay, this is what I figured out. There's wood in there. There's this. And a lighter. We're going to light that up. And hopefully it burns down good. Let me set you guys down. Alright, set you up. So you can see. Hopefully you don't tip over. Of course, the loudest truck in the world has to come by. Yeah, it's starting up. Ugh. I don't know how good it's going to burn, but I got more lighter fluid. Yeah. Get you closer.